Namaskaram. Giving up is not an option because it's a brief life. Whatever you think really matters to you, examine this properly and see, because at different stages in your life, you think this is it. Not like that. When you really want something, just look at it and see, after 20 years, would it still matter? After 50 years, is it still worthwhile doing what you're doing? When you see that it is worthwhile for you, it is significant for you, you should not give up, because it's such a brief life. What you really want must happen. See, Kala Bhairava is waiting always for all of us. So, it's extremely important that what really matters in our lives, it needs a relentless commitment to create that. You always choose to do something which is larger than yourself. In terms of activity, only when you do something which is bigger than yourself, in some way, there is fulfillment in activity, otherwise activity is just tiring. Just doing everything for a living is a very tiring and boring process. You must create something that is larger than you. And once you find something that is larger than yourself, but is useful to you and everybody around you, there is no question of giving up. It's a brief life. What we want to really do in our lives, we must do it with devotion and relentless commitment to make it happen. Let's make it happen.